Funny. Now the place where they tell you be this.
Now the place be this.
Can't you see?
Yes,
Plumber needed.
See,
Let me tell you something now. I don't make you for my hand.
No, why? You first see now.
Just go inside.
Calm
down, nigga. Calm down. This is not money matter. I mean, I know they joke with money. Just go inside that place. Go meet the oga pata. Then give money. Charge these people. So I don't understand. For me, I trust you. No, don't worry. I go just get outside the way for you. May go collect the business.
Okay, go there. Go
outside now. Show. Oh yeah, nah. My nigga, I trust you.
Yes, who is that? Come in.
Hello, sir.
Yes, how may I help you?
Where be the plumber wey una need? I see notice for outside say na new plumber. If I dey work I be international plumber.
Oh, you are the plumber. You know you'll be in charge of the plumbing for this entire building. I hope you can handle it.
Yes, sir. The very way I handle it.
Okay. I like that confidence. Well, anyway, we have a budget. Let me just write it down in this check. Okay.
Security for you.
Hey.
If I don't collect something like this, use right hand give me something. Why do you use left hand they give me something? No. Come on, I don't collect something. That's the respect now. I use right hand give me something now.
Young man, is it me you're talking to or is something wrong with you? You're talking to me like that. A check of 20 million, I'm offering it to you for a job. And you're turning me down because of my left hand. You don't look at your village.
Sir, I don't collect that. Use right hand give me something. Use right hand give me something, chief. Use right hand give me something. Why do you use left hand give me something? Give me use right hand give me something. I don't collect that.
Because I use my left hand, you are turning me down. It's clear you don't want this job. Please get out. We'll get somebody else.
Give me like that.
I said get out!
Use right hand.
Get! Security!
Funny. See your face be like shit when they fire catapult. What's happening now? Oga talk now. What's happening now? See you do like say. What's going on? Tell me something now.
No understand.
Waiting, tell me Yambi now. Yamba.
Yamba call they use left hand they give me check.
Eh?
I don't collect her now.
Why?
Why you gonna use left hand give me check?
How much?
20 million.
Hey! Oga, you dey craze? You see 20 million no collect because I use left hand they give me now you collect. Are you okay?
I go collect her.
For this kind of regime, what is hard like this?
Now they later say that you give me now.
Hi! This guy don't follow. See, I don't think I tell you like this now. As I go that house, no follow me, just follow me go that house. Like this. I said, which kind of hand down? 20 million I mean. I beg bullshit, Jerry. Nonsense.